Today, we will be talking about a very interesting case of Robert Barrineau, who is currently facing a charge of third-degree assault and battery in Dorchester County, in connection with an incident that took place on August 20th, 2020. Less than 2 weeks after the traffic stop incident, SPD representatives filled out a separation due to misconduct form with the South Carolina Criminal Justice Academy that indicated that Barrineau had been terminated from the department due to the misconduct of terms. The cop was told that he was going down, and unfortunately for him, it turns out to be true. What do you think this cop did to face such harsh penalties? Watch this video till the end to figure out the details of the incident. It was claimed that the officer refused to answer multiple requests from the person who had been pulled over, as he wanted to know the reason why he had been pulled over. Seems like a fair request, right?
You just I know what you picked up. I know what you picked up over there, okay?
What I picked up?
Yeah. Come on. Get out of the car.
No, I ain't getting out the car till y'all tell me what's going on.
We're about to tell you what's going on. Come on out.
No, bro. What's going on? Let me record this.
Okay.
Y'all got y'all. What y'all got y'all camera
Yeah, we're
on?
recording right now, so come on
What's
out.
going on?
We got the camera on.
Yeah, come on out.
Tell you, all right?
Come on out.
Oh,
'cause
no,
I don't want to
don't
have to
grab me.
force
Don't
you.
grab me. Don't grab me.
Well, we're telling you, giving you lawful order. If
saying
you don't
why?
get out, you're about to get ripped out of the car.
Well, go ahead.
So don't.
I got a back problem. Don't rip me out.
I'm not trying to do that, so come on out. Come on out. We'll explain it to you.
We're gonna tell you, dude. Come on, step out of the car.
Let me go.
No, I'm not letting you go.
Bro, let me
This is
go,
your last
bro.
chance, man,
No.
because you're...
Get the out.
Hands behind your back.
Why you punch me in my face? I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, hold him up. Up in the trunk.
If you got your camera on, punch me in my
We got a
face.
camera, bro.
Somebody punch me in my face. Hey, bro. Oh, Johnny, what's going on? What's going on?
Corporal Barrineau began to extricate the defendant after multiple requests for him to exit the vehicle. The form also claims that a struggle ensues and Corporal Barrineau can be seen on video striking the defendant in the face twice. Another detective can be seen grabbing Corporal Barrineau's arm in what appears to be an attempt to prevent him from delivering more fist strikes to the man's face. The form further says that the unidentified man who was allegedly punched without proper reasoning needed to receive immediate medical treatment for his injuries.
Where
Don't punch me in my face. Hurt. Yeah, I sure do. My face is hurt. Man, somebody punch me. I'm a good citizen. Punch me.
We thought I was going to 300, but we got it's still there.
Yeah, we have to make sure if we're not, we don't have anything.
They lost sight of the box, and this car left. We stopped it. He didn't want to get out. We had to extract him. It's not there. Yeah. Yep.
Someone sit on the house?
We got them lookers.
Still on the porch.
Resisting. Oh, mother. Man, y'all get
It's on the porch still.
The document furthermore adds to the fact that the man did not have any weapon or anything in general of the same category that prior to the incident could have been a threat to the cops. His vehicle was off, his arms were on the steering wheel, and he was holding a cell phone.
There you go. Somebody punched me in my face, but that hurt for real though. Somebody hit me hard too. Somebody going to jail for real behind this.
Anybody get it?
Still sitting.
You want to search it?
What?
His car?
Yeah. Continue research. I mean, we'll get a dog, because right now he's going to say no. He didn't pick up the package. So let's get a dog, make sure there's probable cause. We search the car. I already pumped the trunk for safety.
Come on, man. I want everybody car. Everybody car. Hey, you brave cat. With all shit on, you real brave to be punching on and choking people, man. You wrong. You had no business choking and pulling on me like that. I would have complied only if you'd have let me know what the was going on. I come out my yard, everybody swarming me and punching me and throwing me on the ground. That's ruthless, that's thuggish. And y'all called us mother.
After the search was conducted and there were no signs of the man having any relation with the accusations of the officers, it was clear that there was no apparent imminent threat or danger to Corporal Barrineau or to the other officers on scene. And so that's what the form states. Corporal Barrineau, utilizing a closed first and striking the subject in the face was not justifiable, was not objectively reasonable, and was a violation of department policy and state law. Barrineau's training history reveals that among the years 2010 and 2012, He served as an officer at the Dorchester County Detention Center, the same facility in which he was booked last month on the third-degree assault and battery charge. Judicial filings did not list a defense attorney for Barrineau, who was due back in court on Monday. Barrineau is one of 2 former SPD employees facing charges for their misconduct of power in the name of reinforcing law and order, which were brought by the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division.